We spent over 2 years researching the entire cold plunge industry. We looked at what every company in the market was selling and what they were offering. And we designed the ChillFlex Pro based on everything we learned and the things that all of our competitors were missing. Let me explain it to you. This is the first fully integrated health app cold plunge equipment. So what that means is if you can get yourself in the habit of using the ChillFlex every day and cold plunging every day, you can measure improvements in your health. This technology only exists in this machine. If you have an Apple Watch, you can now use your ChillFlex to improve your health. Listen, research has shown that if you get in the habit of cold plunging every single day and really immerse yourself in the benefits of hydrotherapy, you're gonna change your life. You're going to improve your health. And you don't have to take my word for that. You can go and do the research and you can learn this. Now, to really take the benefit of hydrotherapy seriously, you have to extremely change the temperatures in your body in this process. So what that means is step one is actually heating up your body. We suggest a Canadian hot tub to do that. But if you don't have a hot tub, get in a hot shower, stay there for 20 minutes, increase the inner core temperature of your body significantly, then you jump into the cold plunge powered by the ChillFlex, and that radical drop in temperature that your body's experiencing, it literally kills the dead and weak cells in your body. It allows for the growth and regeneration of new healthy cells. If you do this every single day, you're gonna use your Apple Watch, keep it on while you're in the tub, and once you're in the tub, it will take all the data that it measures from your vital signs in your body, your oxygenation levels, your blood pressure levels, even sugar levels in your body. It's gonna measure it all. It's gonna deliver all that data into the Apple Health app on your phone. That's integrated with our one-of-a-kind Canadian cold plunge ChillFlex app, which you can download from the App Store. And inside of the ChillFlex app, it's gonna correlate all the data for you. And it's gonna track it every day. So if you do this for 2 weeks, you will see an increase, an improvement in your overall health. And it's demonstrable. You can actually read it inside of the app. It's unbelievable. Now, friends, there's a lot of people that are seeing the rage, the trend that's going on with cold plunging right now, and they get nervous about it. They're like, how in the world can I get into this every day? My advice to you is to take it slow. Step one, contact Canadian Hot Tubs right now and get your ChillFlex ordered. Once you buy it, you're gonna be forced to use it. Get in the habit of actually doing it. When you set it up and you start using it, ideally, you wanna get your cold plunge to temperature level down to 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. You don't have to start there. Start at 5 or 6 or 7 degrees and get in the habit of doing it. Now here's what you do. When you get up to speed and you're doing this right, you wanna spend 2 minutes in the cold plunge, but you don't have to start there. Set your cold plunge at 7 degrees Celsius and get into it and stay for 30 seconds. It's gonna hurt the first time you do it. I'm just gonna tell you that right up front. But I know you've got it in you. Get in the habit of doing it regularly. The first week, do 30 seconds. The next week, do 45 seconds. The next week, do a minute. And then every once in a while, push yourself and try and get to the 2 minutes. Eventually, it'll take a couple weeks. You'll get to 2 full minutes in the cold plunge. And then once you get out of the cold plunge, get back into a shower or get back into the hot tub to warm your body up again. That's the hydrotherapy method. Now, once you get to 2 minutes at 7 degrees, every week after that, drop the temperature by a degree or 2 until you get down to 2 degrees. And now you'll be a cold plunge legend. Friends, there's nothing else like this. There's lots of chillers that claim they can heat and cool the water. You can actually use this as a hot tub machine. It will heat the water up to 103 degrees Celsius if you want. It's all controlled from an app. So if this is at the cottage and you're going to the cottage, on the way to the cottage, you can turn on the ChillFlex using the app and you can cool it down so it's ready to go when you get there. Or you can use it at your house the same way. This is built for indoor or outdoor use. If you're gonna use it outdoors, you have to keep it warm. It should be enclosed in a building, but we have many, many people that we sell this unit to and use it as part of our hydrotherapy system, the Mini Nordic Spa, which because of how amazing the world of IT is and marketing, you can see the Mini Nordic Spa on your screen right now. It's amazing how this works and you're absolutely gonna love it. If you have health issues, talk to your family doctor about the benefits of cold plunging. And if you get the nod from your family doctor, or if you just wanna do it, you already know the health benefits, benefits, go into the notes from this video and you can see how to get connected with one of our consultants at Canadian Hot Tubs, and they'll walk you through how to purchase one of these amazing ChillFlexes. I am so excited about this machine. It's gonna help thousands and thousands of people across North America to enjoy better health. My question to you is, what are you waiting for? Join the ChillFlex craze right now.